Cheat Skeet.
The image shows a classroom filled with happy young students. A friendly teacher is standing in front of a green chalkboard and teaching a lesson. The chalkboard displays simple messages like, "Be kind, work hard, and dream big." Several students are sitting at small desks, raising their hands to answer questions. Sunlight is shining through a large window, making the classroom look warm and cheerful. The walls are decorated with alphabet charts, numbers, and educational posters. A "Be happy" sign is placed above the chalkboard, adding a positive feeling to the room. There are shelves with books, toys, and a globe neatly arranged on the side. The children have colorful school bags and open books on their desks. Overall, the classroom looks lively, friendly, and perfect for young children to learn and enjoy.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell.